is Flux Charts indicators. In this video, you will learn how you can use the Flux Charts as well as is it worth buying. Before we lose any time, let's jump in the video. To use these indicators, go to Indicators tab and search for Flux Charts, and you will see these two indicators. One is MTF, supply and demand zone, and the other one is SPX algo. Click both of them to add to your chart, and after you add it, you will see this supply and demand zone and signals on your chart has been appeared now. What you need to do is go to settings for the SPX algo and change the settings with me. The sensitivity is 55, the strength is 50, and time awakening is recent trends, and take profit, copy all of this, enable this, display labels, display table, and that's it. That's all you need to do. I have closed the volatility bands, but if you want, you can enable it. After you've done that, hit OK button, and now the setup is ready. Using this strategy is so simple and so powerful. In your right middle corner, you will see SPX algo giving you a 3-minute, 15-minute, 30-minute, 1 hour, and 1 day bias on your chart. We can see that all the time frames now is bullish. The trend is up. We can get a quick update about the market situation in our chart. If you go up, you will see in the top right corner, you can see the current signal, and you can see if there is any upgrade or downgrade. This is very nice feature because when you enter the position, after a while market will move, right? To catch up with that, you will see on your chart a plus or minus signs. In this example, we are seeing the signal get upgrade by 1 star. So this means that the trend is continue. You can keep carrying your position. Now let's take a look at how we will take the signals from the whole setup now. SPX algo has 5 ratings, and it starts from 0 and it goes up to 5 stars. So the 0 is the lowest strength, the 5 is the highest strength. So if you look at the chart here, we got the 4-star buy signal from the SPX algo. And if you look up, and there is a supply zone on 1 minute time frame on our chart. I will show you how you can configure also the MTF supply and demand zone. But first, let's take a look at this SPX, right? The price come and hit there, and it bounced from this resistance line, then boom, price starts to go up. We see this break up here, and voila, we banked. Now let's take a look at the supply and demand zones indicator on our chart. But before, let's head over to settings. All I change is I have enabled the time frame for 5 minute and 15 minute also, and the first one is my chart time frame, which is 1 minute. Don't forget, we are trading 1 minute S&P 500. Hit OK button, and you will see that on your chart, this is the demand zone and this is the supply zone, right? We see that price came here and bounced from same zone over and over again, and after a while we see this 4-star buy signal. In this kind of scenarios, we understand that there is a clear support line and market can't go below this zone. When you see this buy signal, if there is a up more than 3-star, take that signal. It will make you very happy. After you take the long position with the bar close here, we will put our stop loss to the recent support line, which will be here, of course, because as you remember, price couldn't go below this zone, and this area act as a demand zone, right? So where should we take our profit? There's a 2-way you can do it. When you get downgrade to your signal, which you can follow up in the right top corner, or you can follow up in your chart. The second method is using supply and demand zone. When the price hits the supply zone, especially in the higher time frames, you see here, this is a supply zone for 1 minute and 15 minutes. When the price touches there, we are out of the position. We book our profit. Easy like that. So this indicator is for everyone. Whether you are beginner or advanced trader, this indicator is a perfect match for you. You can use the supply and demand zone, you can take the signals, and after you enter a position, you can follow up your signal at the right top corner with the current situation, if it gets upgrade or downgrade. And the other great thing is, when you buy this indicator, you have 7 days to try. If you don't like it, you can get your full refund and no questions asked. After you buy this indicator, you will get access to their Discord group where they will give you signals and trade ideas. Also keep in mind that this whole setup works on any time frame and any type of market. So let's look at one more example where we will take a look at non-confirmed signal. Here we got a sell signal with 1 star, which is we don't like. We like at least 3 star, right? But we will take a look at this. After you get the signal with the bar close, you have to wait until this support line got broken with the strong bar. What I mean by that, you need to see this whole demand zone got broken. After that, with the bar close, you can take your short signal. But here we don't take any position because the price couldn't break the demand zone. As a last example, I would like to show you the Flux charts indicators on 15-minute time frame. It is one of my favorite time frame, and let's take a look here. We got the 4-star buy signal from the SVX algo, and we enter a position with the bar close, right? So our entrance will be that point, which is a bar close, and after you take this position, we will put our stop loss to the recent support line, which will be that place, and we are following the market. After that time, price came to the supply zone here and bounced back down here, but we didn't get stopped out. We are watching the whole price action because signal is 4-star, so we are trusting our indicators here. And after a while, we see that after with this bar close, we got upgrade from the SVX algo to 5 stars. It is unbelievable. It is the highest level the signal can reach. So we are carrying our position, and after some time, we see that this whole supply zone got crushed with the price action here. And we see this, we got a take profit from the SVX algo, which is you can also follow this to close out your positions. As the time goes, signal got downgrade from the SVX algo. This tells us that the character of market is changing from bullish to bearish. Be careful, we got downgrade. The price can change its moves. It can return to bearish. So these features are really nice way to follow and track the whole price section. So that was all for this in-depth review for Flux Charts premium version. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If so, please consider watching those videos, and until the next time, see you soon.